So what do you do with those old light bulbs or even the used batteries from your TV remote? You throw them in the bin, even though you know it is harmful to the environment. Plus, you don't really have an easier option. But now Pick n Pay gives you that easier option with their brand new recycling centre initiative. Andre.
Morning, morning.
Now this is a great new initiative from Pick n Pay. Tell me a bit about it.
This is our recycling initiative for customers.
Yeah.
We can bring back ink cartridges, CFLs, plastic bags and batteries to get recycled.
And the plastics, what happens to that?
Plastic gets collected at stores, it gets taken to a central depot in each of the regions and then gets recycled into other products, for example, plastic pipes.
Another product important to recycle are batteries. SA consumes some 50 million a year, 95% of which are disposable. Alternatives are offered in store.
Also for the environment, using rechargeable batteries also helps you save money, less energy that you need in producing new batteries that can't be recharged. We also have units that you can recharge within your car, for example, if you travel a lot, making your life a little bit easier.
Another product that will be safely disposed of when dropped off at your nearest Pick n Pay recycle centre is energy-efficient compact fluorescent light bulbs.
They might look a little bit more expensive, but if you then think you can go and use this in your house for 6, 7, 8 years,
wow.
It becomes a very cost-efficient bulb to use in your house.
Answers to energy saving right there on the Pick n Pay shelf. And there is more good news. Ewan explores.
What if you could not only give your used ink cartridges away to be recycled, but at the same time make a contribution to a worthy cause? Now I'm at the Green Office to speak to James Tooley about, well, just that.
In a joint initiative between Pick n Pay and Green Office, you can now donate your cartridge to charity by disposing of it in store.
Tell me a bit about the benefits for the environment by recycling ink cartridges.
The benefits really are twofold. The first is that an ink cartridge is exceptionally, or can become quite toxic. Over time, the plastic is extremely dense. It can take up to 1,000 years for that plastic to decompose. Combined with the toner, which is classified as toxic, goes into the groundwater, which can obviously affect our environment. So the other benefit, of course, is in terms of remanufacturing a cartridge, you're taking away the original manufacturing process of an original cartridge. And with that, we move ahead and obviously save quite a lot from an environmental point of view.
James, take me through the actual recycling process of these cartridges.
The cartridge comes in, we assess it, and clean out all the toner. It has a drum, it's empty, the drum would be replaced, and everything that's replaced goes to recycling.
Now, I understand you guys not only recycle ink cartridges, but you also donate some of the revenue to a worthy cause.
The idea behind it is that cartridges, even though they're empty, still have a value. And we pay that value to a community partner, in this case with Pick n Pay, it's Quasar.
It's the small things that make a big difference. Introduce the 3 R's in your home: reduce, reuse and recycle. And join Pick n Pay in helping the South African government achieve its target of reducing the amount of recyclables going into landfills by 70% within the next decade.